Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix vertical lines on laptop screen. I show you guys how to fix it. First, you need to test whether it's a software or a hardware issue. To check that, you just need to press Windows key, Shift key and S key together in your keyboard. And this snipping tool will be open up. Select the got it option and click on the drop down over here and select the full screen option. And now the screenshot has been taken. Just go to File Explorer and go to Pictures and double click on the screenshots folder. Double click on the screenshot. Now you just need to check if the vertical lines appear in the screenshot. If it is appears in the screenshot, then you can fix it using this video. If the screenshot looks like normal but the lines are still on your laptop screen, then it's physical screen or cable or panel related problem. So for software related problem, here is the solution guys. So let's go for it. You just need to open up Chrome and check my video description for this display driver uninstaller and just select the link and press enter. This solution worked for more people on Reddit. Select any of these servers. After the download done, you just need to close stuff here and go to search menu and type system configuration. Click on open it. Go to boot tab and check mark this safe boot option and select apply and OK for save changes and select the restart option. After restarting your PC, you are in the safe mode guys. You just need to open up File Explorer and go to downloads. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to option. After the extract and open it and now double click on the DDU application. Select run option and select extract and now open the DDU folder and double click on the DDU uninstaller application and select the OK option. It's closed up here and select device type. Select your GPU and select device. You just need to select your GPU model. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA. After selecting it, we just need to select clean and restart option. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration and go to boot tab. Uncheck this safe boot option and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to check my video description for this site link. Depends on the graphics card you use. You just need to select the site. In my case, I am using NVIDIA. So paste the link and press enter. Select accept all. To find your graphics card model name, you just need to go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the display adapter section and in here you can able to see your graphics card model name. In my case, NVIDIA RTX 5080. In here you just need to select a GeForce or you can actually search for your graphics card model guys. Just in search you just need to type the graphics card model. In my case RTX 5080 and type the Windows. There are two options available. One is for laptop. Select the laptop and select the find option. Under GeForce Game Ready driver, select the view option and select the download option. After the download done, click on it and select the run option. And just a normal installation process guys. Select the OK option. In my case, I am in the VMware to make the tutorial video. You just need to continue this installation. Just a normal installation guys. Just install it. After this installation done, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. This solution only worked for software based problem and this worked for more people on Reddit, guys. This is the best solution for this problem. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.